What's up guys, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the Chrome Web Store in Google Chrome. So to do that, you can go about it two ways actually. You can just open up your browser in Google Chrome and you simply type in Chrome colon / extensions and just hit enter. And it's going to take you to where you have the extensions, and to the left, you will find the Chrome Web Store. And so you can click on it and it's going to take you directly over to the Chrome Web Store where you can find extensions and themes and so forth, right? So you can go ahead and access it like that. Now, the other way to actually do it manually is to click the three dots on the upper right hand side. And here you can go to extensions. And once you hover over extensions, you will find visit Chrome Web Store. You click on that and it's going to take you directly to the Chrome Web Store. And another way how to do it as well is to actually go ahead and click the three dots on the upper right hand side. And from here, you click in, for example, settings. And from the left side, you will be able to find extensions on the bottom right here. And you will be seeing the extensions right here. And you have the Chrome Web Store right here. So you can access it any one of these three ways as I'm showing you. And that's it, guys.